Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I want to show you guys a 2023 Yamaha 195S. Start on the outside and jump on the inside to see some features. So to start off with, this guy is in sea glass gray, giving you a really unique color. It looks awesome on this boat, especially when it's matched up with your warm interior. All your flooring and even the centers in your seats are all going to be matched up with the tan interior. Now, this being the S model, we got a few extra features. One being having a remote audio hookup right off of the stern platform here, and of course featuring the really nice brown flooring, kind of giving you that teak look without the teak wear. So really comfortable, easy to clean stuff. And let's go ahead and jump on the inside and show you guys what this guy has. All right guys, so first of all, this 195S features the Watersport Tower. Now, if you are concerned about any kind of storage needs, whether that's under a carport or in dry storage, this whole thing will tilt down to the windshield and then also have an ability to collapse to give you that much more storage. Not only that, I mean, this is fit for 8 people. Really awesome layout on this boat, as you got really nice bench seating in the back, 2 captain's chairs, even some more seating in the front. Now, this being a 195, you actually get the supercharged engine, which makes right about 250 horsepower. So really gets on plane fast. And if you're looking for a boat that's quick, jumps on plane, this is a really good option for that. Now, as we go over to our dash, I want to show you guys the 7-inch touchscreen Yamaha display. This is a really awesome display because not only does it give you your vital information like depth and fuel and what the engine is doing, but it also gives you your map screen, which is really awesome for setting different waypoints and also just not having to mount an external GPS unit on this boat. So really convenient stuff. Being a 19-foot boat, you need all the storage you can get, which you have a very deep ski locker here, which does drain down into the bilge to make cleaning that much easier. And lastly, coming up here to our bow seating, we do have storage underneath these seats. These seats are also on hinges to really make things easy to get items in and out of the boat. All right, guys, my name is Connor with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If this is a boat you'd like to hear more information about or even schedule a demo, just please let us know. Thank you guys for watching.